Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, we're going to be decorating this container for fall, and we are going to jump right into the project here so I can show you exactly what we'll be using. So we are going to be using the smaller of the sunflowers that they sell at the Dollar Tree. There's, I think, one size bigger than this one, I think. Not sure, but we're using the small ones. Okay, then we are going to be using the buffalo check ribbon that the Dollar Tree came out with, and that's what that looks like. Beautiful, I love that. Then I found one package, guys, of the letters, period. I mean, one package. First they had only numbers in multiple colors, because I told you the felt letters come in multicolor. And then we went a long period of time, I couldn't even find the letters. So I found one package in the black, which is what I wanted. I wanted more, but I'll take the one. Okay. So then what we'll be doing is we are going to be using this apple barrel paint in the burnt umber. So we're going to be using this. I got this at Walmart, guys. And then I went ahead, and this is a recyclable DIY, guys, just so you know, it is recyclable. I took this outside, this container, and I painted it in this color, which is like a sage. Okay, and so this is what we're going to be decorating. Yeah, this is what we're going to be decorating. Now in the felt letters, I took out Hello Fall, so that's what we're spelling on this container. It's Hello Fall. And then we're going to be embellishing with the rest. Now what I did here in a bowl, guys, is I took a little tiny bit of that burnt umber, and then I went ahead and I put some water in it. I took 3 Jenga blocks, and I have it kind of soaking in there. So I'm going to dry that off with a paper towel now so we can continue embellishing as this dries. And what that does is it acts like a stain. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to take it out of here, and then we'll place it aside so that it can continue drying. I just want to give it a little bit of color. It doesn't have to be dark, although if you want it darker, you can leave it in there longer. So we're going to move that aside. I absolutely love this method because I like the results of the wood. Let me just show you that up close so you can see. It's not pretty. So it acts like a stain. So that's going to be drying off to the side there. We're going to do that part last to give that plenty of time to dry. And then we don't need this bowl anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and move that over to the side. Okay. So what I'm going to do with those Jenga blocks, guys, is just kind of build like a handle for the top of that container there. But we don't need to think about that right now. Now, this part over here doesn't look like it took the green too well, but I like that because it kind of gives it a distressed look. So I'm going to spell here Hello Fall right in the center here. I might go a little bit lower because I want to use that buffalo check ribbon on the container. So maybe what we should do is go ahead and glue the ribbon down. I absolutely love buffalo check ribbon, so I'm trying to use this sparingly because I don't want to. Or maybe I can do a bow, but I think I like this idea better. We can do a bow. We'll do a bow with a jute twine. There you go. So we went around. Now we're going to cut. Guys, just so you know, every time we start videotaping, my dog decides to go run and get water. Then she's little, so when she drinks water, she winds up coughing, so you kind of always hear her in the background coughing. And I just wanted to let you know that's what that was, because she does it every time we're videotaping. So with that being said, let's get started. The other one kind of like walks around, but she always, I don't know what it is. Maybe it makes her nervous. I'm not really sure. But I just, I know you're probably thinking, that dog is always coughing in the background. I'm just telling you why. She drinks too much water at one time, and then she just starts coughing. So I think I want to go a little bit on the top, but I don't want to go too far high because I want to have plenty of room to lay those to lay the letters down. Okay. This container can be used for everything, anything that you want, because honestly, the inside was not painted, so the only thing that was painted was the outside. So periodically, I'm going to go around and I'm just going to put a little dab of glue. I'm not going to go crazy with that. We'll put a little silicone finger on and we'll come around. And then we'll kind of dab that there. And we'll move this around. So as I'm doing this, I'm thinking, I'm very happy for Shelby Cray Cray Girl is the name of the winner of my pop giveaway. I'm so happy. I am going to be having another one, so guys, look out for that video. I had a lot of fun doing that one, so I'm really looking forward to the next one. See, so every so often we just kind of put a dot of glue. And then over here, we are going to just put a little line of the hot glue and then lay this down. Okay. And this is what we have so far. I think that's absolutely beautiful, guys. So now, what I want to do is decide how I'm going to place that Hello Fall. So I could either go one on top of the other, or we can do it long ways. I think I'm going to do Hello and then Fall. Okay, it's just, let me see if I can find the placement here. The place where I want to do the letters. Okay, let me move this over. And we're going to go right here. Actually, I might need this because for some reason, I like doing things sideways when I'm laying the letters down. So let me get this off. So we're going to spell out hello closer to the ribbon and then fall underneath. The last one. Okay. Let me show you what we have. Okay, so that says Hello Fall. So right here in the center, guys, we're going to make a jute twine. So let me move this over. Grab my jute. I want to cut this. Let's see. So how I usually make the bow, guys, I'm going to wrap this jute twine over my 4 fingers because I like that size bow. We're going to go around about 8 times. And we're going to cut. We're going to pinch right in the middle. Okay? And we're just going to grab a piece of twine here. And we're going to go around this twice. Twice is good. Anything excess, I'm going to cut off. We're going to make a knot, and then we're going to do this again. Okay? And grab the jute over your 4 fingers, guys. going to cut, count it 8 times, pinch in the middle, and cut a piece of jute. And we're going to go twice around this. Twice is enough. And we're going to tie knots. So before we glue this, we are going to cut all of this excess off because we don't want to see this part here. Okay. So what I normally do next, I normally try to spread this as best as I can. Okay, and that's what you have. And then we're going to come and do the same thing to this side here. Now what I normally do is I will place one going in one direction, we'll place some hot glue there in the center, and then we'll place this one right on top of that one, making a bow. Okay, a round bow. Now while that's sitting there drying, I'm going to grab some of these sunflowers. One of these sunflowers. Now the sunflowers do have a wire in the back. I don't need the wire, so I will be cutting one of those sunflowers, the wire off, because I don't need it. I'm glad that it's there though. And we're going to use that sunflower right in the center of that bow. So I'm going to put some hot glue there, and I'm going to place that sunflower. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that. Very nice, very nice. So I was thinking of placing that bow right here, right above the Hello Fall. I think that would be so pretty right there. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down, and then we'll do the top. So I can do the top and then make another jute bow. I love bows, guys, so yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I changed my mind, which happens often when I am doing my DIYs. Okay, so I think I'm going to make another one here. I am going to go a little bit smaller on this one. Actually, I'm going to do one. Okay, so let's do one. With the other bow. The difference is that I'm going to go in the center here of those loops, and I'm going to cut. So this bow is going to look a little bit different than that bow. Okay, and then you kind of even them out, or just leave it alone. That helps it to look a little bit more rustic. So this is what we have. I'm going to decorate the middle of this. Just because this bow here seemed just a little bit too much, I am going to put a sunflower on that, so let's go ahead and do that. So what that means is that we won't be using those Jenga blocks, but I'm glad I had a chance to show you an easy way of staining it. I'm going to place a sunflower there. Guys, I never liked sunflowers before, and all of a sudden I absolutely love sunflowers. So look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so we're going to glue that. This is a little bit more, it's a little bit more like not too much, so we're going to glue that here. Right. Let me just show you those Jenga blocks. So these Jenga blocks, guys, is pretty easy way of staining, and I'm glad I had a chance at least to show you that. Whether or not I use them, I chose not to use them. That happens a lot when you're creating things, you change your mind. But see, it gives it a stained look because this, what happens is it absorbs inside of the wood, the raw wood, and it gives it a nice look. I like this look. So I'm glad I got a chance to show you what that looks like, but I decided not to use that. This is what we have. This is what that's looking like, guys. So let me show you. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Hello, fall. I'm loving it. Absolutely beautiful. So we have the sunflower on the top, the little bow here, the sunflower and the bow on the top, and also on the side here, two different kinds of bows. So, well, you look at that. I learned two different kinds of bows. Okay, and the Hello Fall. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. You can store anything in it. Guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, make sure and click like. Comment if you want to share something with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I post a video. So guys, yeah, I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.